Hello there, Matt Schifferly for reddeltaproject.com, and today we're talking about how to do a dragon flag, that all-impressive calisthenics abdominal training powerhouse. But today we're looking at not only how can you do it, but how can I make it possible for you to be able to do it in less than 2 weeks, certainly less than a month. A lot of times when people set up for a dragon flag, they make two critical mistakes. The first one is their head is way too far away from their hands. It's 6 inches, maybe even a foot away from whatever support they're holding onto. The second mistake is they have their elbows flared out to the side, which usually also coincides with a slightly rounded and hunched shoulders. These things all together basically mean that your upper body has almost zero supportive control for your dragon flag. And since during a dragon flag, your upper body and arms are the only thing that's really holding you in place, if you don't have stability there, you almost have no chance whatsoever of making this work. That's why you want to have your head as close to your hands as possible, hands about shoulder width or so, and keep the elbows and your shoulder blades tucked in nice and tight. That's going to give you a much better shelf to power off of, and you're going to have way more stability, which is then going to carry over into much more strength for the exercise. Progression in the dragon flag is actually fairly simple. Start off with simple, just tucking your knees up into your chest as tight as possible. This, of course, will work your flexion chain, but also help you build the coordination of holding the support with your upper body and your back while you're doing this. From there, you can just do the same thing with the extension element from smart bodyweight training, where you have your legs extended out and you do more of a straight leg raise. But the key thing here is to still get that hip and lumbar spine up off the floor, which holding onto something with your upper body will allow you to do. Once you can get at least 10 to 15 straight leg raises with your lumbar spine coming up off the ground, then all you simply do is extend your legs out while trying to prevent your lower back from touching the ground, and you're basically transitioning through a dragon flag. If you're serious about learning the dragon flag, I recommend making it a big time staple in all of your calisthenics training. In fact, probably good to practice it 5-6 days out of the week, because this is about strength, and strength is a skill. So practice it with high frequency, and don't worry too much about trying to hold it for as long as possible. Instead, hold it for about 2 to 3 seconds, the lowest point that you're comfortable with, then come down under control. Don't let yourself just fall down onto the floor. And practice it with some frequency most days out of the week. You're going to find that your proficiency and comfort level with the dragon flag will improve significantly over the next 7 to 10 days. And over the next couple of weeks, you're definitely going to be able to have a much better grasp of the exercise. So there you go, dragon flag training. Leave your thoughts, comments, questions, and ideas down below for the RDP community. We love hearing from you as always. Check out these videos for more. And as always, be fit, live free.